Hey there, David Hawk here. If you're watching this video new, it's a brand new year, and so happy new year. Hope everything went well for you during the last year and will continue to do so in the new year. Today I want to talk about puzzles and how I make these and kind of a couple of options that you have that I like and a couple I don't like. But anyway, here's a puzzle. Well, let's just start over because we can go into applications over here on this side, and then you can see puzzle generator. So you can choose whatever puzzle you want. Orientation, it gives you different I guess puzzle piece shapes on that. And then if you click this one, you have multiple shapes that you can use. So you can get a heart shape, circle, or the rectangle. I typically do the rectangle for the realtors that we do. This one is a circle, and you can do the different sizes and shapes. I don't know why it has that. And then this one's kind of cool if you're doing things for weddings and stuff. This one is cool, so you get that option too because it's got the back, so you can actually make this two pieces and it's framed in, so that's kind of cool. But the ones I do are like this, the square ones for the realtors, and I typically change not 100 column. I change that to 10 by 10 columns, and I just leave this other stuff the same. So we've got the puzzle. Now you can see you've got the upload an image. So you have the option. You can do, let me just do a house. Since I'm normally doing them for realtors, I'm just using a house. And you can see this fills in nicely. You can also zoom it if you want to zoom it. Take it down if you want to take it down. And then just import to canvas. And what that's going to do is give you this image. Let me see, can we? Yeah, so this is the thing I don't like about this. So you've got the house in there, but it really kind of set the house to the puzzle size. So you don't have really any control over it over here. If I wanted to do this 10 inches wide and say 8 inches high, it kind of distorts the house. So I don't like that method. Let me grab a new canvas. So what I do is grab the puzzle. I'll get the same puzzle and we'll do the same. Come on, 10 by 10. All right, import to canvas. So now what we have is the ability to change this actual puzzle pieces and sizes based on what we want. So I unlock the aspect ratio. I'm typically doing about 10 inches wide, 8 inches high. So you can see now we've got that. And now what we can do is just bring the image in, and then I can shape the puzzle to however. So I've got more options as far as what or how the image actually shows in the puzzle itself. And I also have the ability to do the adjustments, which I really like. That actually runs better than the other. So here you can just make this, I know I've got 10, so let's do 10.1 to make it just a little bit bigger than our puzzle. And then you can see the puzzle's a little too big, but with the aspect ratio taken out of there, we can just make that puzzle whatever size we want it. And then we've got our settings because I run these on basswood. I kind of personally like to arrange this, send the picture to the back just so I can see the puzzle over the top, and then group it, and it's ready to run. So that's the two ways you can do puzzles. Like I said, I showed you there's a lot of options in there already as far as the puzzles go, how many pieces you want and that kind of thing. So it's really a cool feature. That's something new in xTool Studio. So I hope this video finds you well. If you've got any questions, as always, leave them in the comments below, whether it's about puzzles or anything else to do with lasers or xTool Studio. If I can answer it, I certainly will. And also, if you know anybody that you think might benefit from this video, please share it with them, and I would really appreciate a thumbs up on the video. If you really liked it, please subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time. Talk soon. Bye.